99.8, the station that begins with you.
Let's keep the conversations going. On Facebook, it's Univen Radio 99.8, or send a text or a voice note on our WhatsApp line number 071 430 1994.
Yes, of course, it is the station that begins with you, 99.8 Univen FM. Ndiata epedzi eminetu vaka awara ya malo rojena kalu talo vrarno ropetsera rwa breakfast show. Sazwenda wafulipetsa zone ndari na msirida wana muyeni ndi zone uhone hapono nindunza kasho. Ndi mrepa wapono venta mteni ya bori ono shila mnijizurwane saka vent rap music ndi batondi.
Yes sir.
Exi. Nishabu badi maneri mini. Na nendo takala kamanda ndi batondi thome guy chano thoma thi lingo dzina lanu ndi mujiye thi lova guy zvamba mini nichipedza ndombi namba ngala ha batondi ngondi kuzonzo uri ntonga into ba brand ya serious
mujiye pro kutege kamsi ndichitoba repa vangano vanga vachifuna zvo mujiye ale one ntanga zo so yena take no muti chomujiyera ntabata I was like zviyanakisa izvo so ndotomozvishumisa so batondi the name batondi lona line dzinalanga lavo kumandibva rotombo so batondi zerotombi that's what I ended up being then that was it ndiva batondi and ndakodoreleve ndzinavo line achifana kulili
really different
yeah this one
lisafana ma
yeah
ndinifesesa okay zvino zobva gai zvithu zotoma gai zotoma lini
zoimba zoimba I think ndiro maropa nopakari kuzoronga randiwa yani kuziwa I remember makuru anga vachinjira katara vakotozoona dhani yafunesa muzika then ndichiotomo dhani yapa Univen and as we were speaking before ndikitangana nodoctor neva vachikotomongora dzirime too much chingora lyrics ngachazvingazo achingazvidivarei vanhu vachiranga chanza mara ndingangomndu kuzvifara zvinhu kuzvifuna and I'm gonna make it then the years go there memwari kuita dzitape zvisina quality mara risanyami
nechifila ani naini vathu vako ni criticize chifengo chote vasabelieve kazo
it has always been an encouragement ndachifora ndikutoita zvabetter veve convinced than unyama ngoswa ndisanyami aranodakainina musina ripfari narazvikobhora machero ndandamwara zvimwe naripfari narazvikodaone so it means ndandikova naroom improvement
ya lekophala zvino vachena thoma swikara zvino nono achibva zvithu zvipiyo kana zvitude
ndinachibva zvizhinji manga I've been to the biggest shows I've been nominated to different awards ndinotangana navantu venasomururi ndingatangana nawo in life and not of it comes to Wambana, like we are in contact right now. Watch the zwithu na nende kono batusa ndi the zwithu ba kono ntusa ndikamba like big people in the industry and in the entertainment industry in general. So ndona chiva zwinji arasa kodori ndono perform at Royal Garden. I think 2 times there. Ndono nominated 4 times Kachiventa Music Awards. Nakazi Recognition Awards. I was there. It's about it, man.
Someone's an idea where I feeling you perform in front of thousands and thousands of people.
Yo, tell me about 2018, bruh, performing in front of maybe 48,000 people, I guess. Everyone was shouting my name there. Hey.
So as we are missing ani chuina hangwa comes in the lyrics.
No, like you become numb as in staging. You become like that batondi. Ola munane suzawoziba zovua.
And over in control.
Yeah, I control those people. Then ndichibotsa ndiono nei ndiachuori abaone ngozibona what happened there ngoza zichimira ngendi
zvambozori anito diuri ntomeni lezvithu kana ntomeni nezvithu zvinezo dine tusa
I remember Lela Duva, I was like sober.
Extremely sober.
Yeah.
Not even a single drop.
Yeah, not even a single thing. So, and Marandono's doera, it doesn't require Urumutu. Atome akambiyo and adais muzitu uri. I'm gonna represent Anguri. It's been a long time. And this year we celebrate 10 years in the music industry. So, ndozifana inuri. I'm ono doera.
No, sure.
Hey. 10 years, yeah, since 2010.
Ngechipinga zvino dzi slang dza hone na dzi na nduri into deep. Nesifazori here ti ndikale na musi ni chikuita zvone. Zvino kadzi hit dzano ti
yeah
ndi una hit ine nomene ibvisa na mani kufila ngari aingotoyobva asi hit mara yambodidina badi
yeah ndimwe yena ni dedicatera mumwe wa imwe radio station I didn't know uri ura rimbo rudo blow up ndandorikoda nyimbo mbiri nava ndikufuna orurumwe then the next thing ura rimbo richirutoma urubvisa rakagara everyone was crazy ndione ndazivora uduma ndimini ngaisiya chiviki like ndandiisadisa kupretoria ndichivia fano yani everyone was talking about me rikoda muzika wano ropaurira ruyimbo and then ndisatujeri nthawamongo I didn't know a single lyrics ngakhaura ruyimbo vamwe vachitodori ndivaimbere vapfa uri ndinene because vasabelieve then from there I was like okay ruyimbo ndina runyadzai rudova runo ruyimbo kamusoro rungandirepresent yeah so it has happened kanyimbo dzovarawo
ndichita gong
yes
zino nichirubvisa rwimbo achirupfa ari mini
karozumura achirupfa avona auchuwa so she ended up crying yeah so cool and afandisa diuri ndiriina busy because nandane koto ja chance ngone
one ini anorevera spiola vitori nalikunambana unosuvera kana handizvizvazvori
no it was a matter of getting recognized you know what yeah so I knew uri mona mse arupa namse asarujera nta udobana bato bono dozijera nta okay ya lyricism yomutukana it was about chita gong obviously fana mse ndoitera rwimbo ino obviously we've got a lot of followers since ni presenter no rangos but so but the rwimbo ra hela out mini ngozo that was the only thing then I don't target as well
na mana vani kudiviwa ngazo
man
ushakanu na ezvino risana
ushakana we were very close we talk almost all the time we advise and we hang you know
uko yobalanyi zvino
no it's not a matter of making songs about people chivhinga chaute
azoguma that was the first and the last one
no ndoendaita rumbo ra tribute to Sfiso chivhinga cheSfiso mwana arova ndaita ruimbo rarimo ra blow up and unfortunately ndoroita bonde panovenda ene ngachivenda ngozobona if it was maybe ntangei radari kwamba wamafungo zvino
that was a different story
yeah ro dina ngamanda and vatu vatokaita zunda fai itano ruimbo mara kane is not a matter of making a song about vatu nyimbo in general zvazindofila or let me try this ngozobana yeah
zvino kakeria yano inwi nina team ine navani kushuma nayo kana zvithu zvinji nitodhitela ini mune
nani asizikone ndote ndina vacho vane vantusa ndina muthangano of DJ Limza ndina nachirecorder is always uba behind achigomeka sure zvikobva ngona vo YB the produce beats vari disara dzi instrumental wo doctor re advice ana lyrical uri afa ari khona so afa ari khona
Dr. Envelope
yeah tina wo wali
yeah
so like is the art team Millie Records Newfound Records Too Fab bofizira tusana ngamanda
the booking zone una management kana ini munene
no but the straight yeah
anikonyaga middleman
maybe comes to know tomba busy zvakuma that's why I'll get the middleman
mara zvino rikosedza zvithu zvinji zvine zvakuita eka industry ti ngamanda manda pana novenda ti vathu vanji vavoti matima uri vaone middleman ngamana vamusini kudzibona zvori we have another back and forth it's conflict usabaterana na mina zvino zvororo ini zvani affect usikaga
so ndifongari you need to get maybe your brother or your little sister muthu ane namuzi akonilera sherete obviously ndi muthu wahayani ukorenga maybe mugayo you know maybe your mom namuzi already amuthu ane hatodhivesa nga industry ene ichidhiva you just tell them what to do ngozwa vatora representative yanu mungara neni sometimes anganishanduke but you need someone close like a family yena muthu ane ndona resolve mapungo manji because namusi nikoshuma at the end of the day nikoshumela vone ngozwa so zvitoda muthu watsini ngamanda
nichamba ngaushandukirwa mungana ti ndipi point ena pazuri apa ndo ndaenda shandukirwa mchiro nyanga zovava blind
there's been a lot of scenarios man yeah una sivingayisera uri kushuma na vamwe vana chatozoyamba rumuroro rakutofamaiswa ngamini then avala vana they ended up leaking my music vafesa uri zvine vakwambana ndikuhanana nazvo then they ended up leaking my music muzika nakuti ubvisa for sale wapedzela kutolikwa mahalo la music but I became strong ndaconvinsa dzifan dzangu revana you'll end up supporting namusi muzika unonova nawo please ndikudovisa hard copy nyana at least come and support namusi muzika unonova nawo nje just support there's been a lot of scenarios man ringamba loko
zwino ndio mine mrauti chifhinga chandabvisa ila track yachita nasina umuntu ane kuvona naye ngachila chunga oriviri apezolo ndikozawo ndibudzisa uri hai
obviously wavano complain like why nichita rwimbo nga mumwe I'm like yo rwimbo rumwe love song I'm singing about you just that I can't mention your name so mutu anonga inwi you just have to relax and there's nothing I would not change kuita apa it's a matter of publicity so relax
afesera kutsipesa kana zokwanda badi
vayapesesana
dzoviyesa
nah dzauya I was like okay rwimbo runobva so there's nothing we can do
mari ukudiva
hone ngamanda she's very strong about it
handizobudi ngamanda ndi vanyi vamwe venene atamoshuma navo kaendesa
I'm looking national now man ndonoshuma na almost everyone cover the rap almost everyone mara locally obviously kutoshuma vona legends you know mara just for control mara nthangi kutotothomene payani vomunada vomaster KG obviously namakhadzi nthanthantha voquesta
ndiri nakota mosvikara udiwana nikopesa ngosvika wawana
yeah ngamanda questa I think is going to be a challenging one that one ndikwamborena rwimbo rwaoni udotiyova na challenge khulwane dzidouya
muthu kha production ti muthu ane vakuni engineerela dzibit na mina zvote ni yasvika hune na sumbidziso zvo ri apano khari zviitise so khari chinche mini kana ni mupa zvote aita inajiya instrumental yopera na sekotolisa vese
ndiyahamba chino chipinga because you know it depends on the feeling ngori ndikutodala ruchivanga hindira rurwimbo so any acreator zvawe ndototi rikhamusi aengedze apa apungudze apa abvise ichi apange ichi uri zvikonondiriva nanini mozivona so we need to agree on that
zvino creative process yanu ichimbirisa hani niita zvila zvori nipfe beat uthoma then zvakonodza kana ndenela mapfungo ri nishawarani nasekondobana ku melody nari ariyo ita zva so namusi nichimwala lyrics into zvitoitisani kind
it's been 10 years like I said so the first maybe 7 years ndachimwala zvizvo zvashawarani so now I get a beat kana ndabudza muntu uri itani beat yaso atimwali chitu I don't write anything na studio because ndiva ndi free ndodzura ndichiko brainstorm ndichiko record ndiko brainstorm ndiko nachita gong I didn't write anything there ndotomwarula lyrics after ndikotekeresa
zvozvo nikotecheresa
ndichiko record
just like Lil Wayne
yeah I think zvivaka experience zvila zvitu zvivaka experience so
aliko phala blind in terms of school and academics no svika guy
ndojenenepa become in tourism in the bag
congrats
ndina long term and short term insurance yanaitanga 2015 yeah so that's how qualified I am
nice bra ndi zvito zvine nekodita nozvisedzanya nga ito uri ndongari ndido uri ndi shumere nga ninge kana hai music all in
razvisedza it's just that you know it can be 100% focus you can 100% focus on that ndiyazviraveresa mara since I'm growing and looking at the fact you're in unemployment ikuitisahani I have to empower myself so mumwe aichitoma sazvezvi radzama usedza uri dzikuitisahani dzipost namina miri chiposa chi but if there's no response we focus on what will give us food
alright so vachiyamba vari at the top it gets lonely as you progress in life and as you develop namina zvote ngochiva zvitu namina zvote ndofana muthu anonga ini una zviro zvinji zvinonosvikelela ti niyarelata nacho statement
at the top you get lonely yeah niyarelata because nendipfa uri most of the time zvine ndaita tututo zvifanisi kuitwa mumwe muthu unozivona so ara ndikufundedza muthu nditototomuri mufundedze zvine ndaitisa zvona and you'll see they're still struggling zvikadikondo uri vasvika papi so yeah it sometimes gets lonely but I always want to challenge myself
zvambo zvori ngamba narinoluza na vangana nga career na mina zwoṱhe.
Too much. Vhaṅwe vha vhona ungari ndiri vha vho to mbengela uri why ndi tshi henga navho because I'm always doing this, you know. So mara it's normal, it's life. I'm like, okay, uri ni move on, obviously utea vhana vhathu vhane ni ḓo vha sia murahu uri zwanhu zwi tshimbile.
Mara nṋe vhene zwivhona zwori Venḓa una talent nga maanḓa badi.
Too much.
Ona una iṅwe talent khulu blind mara nationally a re ko breaka ule luvondo hu khou itea mini?
Rine mara rina talent ne a rongo farana.
Ndiyo problem.
Na vhathu vhane vha khou ṱoḓa uri empower, they always doubt because rine a rina unit. They always doubt. And ni a vhona na nḓala ya dzhenela tshiṅwe tshifhinga vhane pa 10,000 zwino vha ri ya no ita collaboration na Master KG for example, ndi sina vhurukhu ngozwana
zwi ḓo konḓa badi.
So we need discipline, we need unity, ri khou ṱoḓa na connection, vhathu vhane vha tea uri truster, they must trust us. Ngozwana
PR yone,
PR is one of those things.
nṋe sikola nga ri na PR ya zwikona blind ngori Raja for example muthu anonga Makhadzi, she had a good PR person behind it, and o mu swikisa kulesa.
And rina nayo talent ne, we just need recognition. So PR is a must have.
And PR yone ikho tebe zwamba zwi ri khou ḓea funding zwavhuḓi ḓea bit sharp. Mara zwino zwamba zwi tsho sala ndo attractor dzi funda uri dzi funde dzi artist.
Yeah, we have to make sure that they trust us.
And dzi funda dzi hone
zwigwiri
zwi hone kono Venḓa.
Yeah, if you're listening, they said the contact details.
Zwigwiri zwi hone. Okay, osana just a couple of minutes ne uri rivale and the news does uri ne na the hafanoni we put you in the booth.
Yo,
that's why it goes down. That's why you have to be spitting bars for us. Ndikuni for bit ne. In the meantime in the niko adelugisa ngafo.
Yeah.
Let's keep the conversations going. On Facebook, it's Univen Radio 99.8 or send a text or a voice note on our WhatsApp line number 071 430 1994.
99.8 we still at it. Rina Batondi ene ukuritropera freestyle.
Yeah. Okay. This is the breakfast show. Watarara ovanere mupandon. Udola vane vakorifungera nwando. 99.8 iko pfala toyando. Riva tisera miviko. Otari bodoni riko tibura mitipo. Vari magondoni riva fungudza mitsiko. Vari mishumoni riri shumani ni chiko. Techeresa Univen ridisa midipo. Breakfast show, the session that begins with you. This is as preference in Mongolia.
Acapella galerisa pandala biti.
This yeah, but on the beat town, dropping on a rebound. Yeah, it's been my dream. Current cause we eat all my lands are sweet. Don't need repeat. I bruise easily. Songo boya nantinta. Don't you make me angry? I'm the ugliest creature. I'm from B-town. Dijifuna ndiya sita. Nimfana wa habegwa. I'm the president. Mwana wa kubegwa. As for residents, get rich or die trying, baby. I'm the beggar sent. Kamara bitano hangwa za matina retonanga.
Yo.
Yeah.
Hey, that was hot. That was on fire. Batondi.
I was not really prepared though, but thank you, man.
Sure, I know that. I know that was enough. No proof azuri, you are indeed a beast.
Yeah.
Yeah, my film matukutuko pesera before nichi tuwa.
Okay, so ngota manzori to the funders, like we said, rikombera uri bathu vari trust ritakuwe Venḓa rikoto doliti kari prove uri liakona zwi repa yesu ningo zwi fana vewe, so please trust us. Vomrepa vatuku ari zwa chikoro thoma and arari nisa nichiko pfori inwi anozvikone zvitu musongo kombecheza ara mungana una chirepa chikona wana ningwe party anevala. Don't be a rapper as well. Be a producer.
Good as a beat.
Yeah, be a DJ or something. Yeah, because riavangara traffic
vhathu vhoṱhe vha tshi vho nyago u ita zwithu zwithihi
Ngozibona.
kana avhe stylist ya mrepa
something cameraman something
zwo
na mishumo
ḓalesa.
minzhi hanefhaḽa kha industry you'll get recognized if you need that so ya ari konḓelele vhana ri pushe vhana vho no nga vho riṋe ari pushe a u nyamiwi ni nga si fhedze 10 years na vha ni songo wana tshithu kha zwine na khou ita so we need to push hard we need to go out there knock on doors ri pushe nga u tou ralo ri songo bva afha.
Just a minute before we head over to the news headlines, contact details before you
Contact details the 076 711 0838 kana 065 992 1647. Ka social media, Facebook is Batondi Mujie SA, Twitter is @Batondi, Instagram @Batondi, YouTube Batondi, and that's it.
Sure, XA. That was a nice one. Already about a month out there, I'm not in the studio.
And really want to go find chifhinga tshiva tshiṱuku bad ro thoma ḓifa.
No flop next time.
Yeah, really was.
Sure.